actual functioning trampoline that's not covered in debris and falling apart, I'd totally be on there. But
Can't wait till one of those sticks hits your hand.
It's gonna end badly for somebody.
Oh, it was a double 9. Very nice.
Let's score him.
I can touch it. I can touch it. Try to flip. Okay.
No! No!
I scored that a 3 out of 10.
Yeah, hold on. Let me pull the net away. Wait, stop. There's lichen. There's lichen on this net.
What is that?
Growth. Lichen, the stuff that grows on tree bark, it's lichen.
An algae and fungus composite.
And it can also eat rocks.
Yes.
You can eat rocks?
Yeah, lichen grows on rocks. Don't die, please. Too
I
late.
don't know how young I am.
Don't.
Where's the stick we can throw at him? Oh, here's one.
Did you feel the ground that time? To think you touched it.
Oh my word.
Very nice.
Horrible form, but you did it anyway.
Oh man, I scored that about a 5 out of 10 this time. You're
Only a
making your way
5?
up there.
That seems like upsetting.
We're so cool.
Don't poke the animals. Don't poke the bats.